Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream using whipping cream. First, gather your simple ingredients: heavy whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, and any flavorings you desire. It's crucial that all your ingredients are well chilled before you start. This easy, no-churn method means you won't need an ice cream machine, just a good mixer and a freezer. It's perfect for a quick, delicious treat. Next, pour 2 cups of very cold, heavy whipping cream into a large bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream on high speed until it forms stiff peaks. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once the cream is whipped, gently fold in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Be careful not to overmix. You want to keep that light, airy texture for your ice cream base. Now comes the fun part: adding your flavors. You can stir in vanilla extract, cocoa powder, fruit purees, or even crushed cookies. Once your flavors are mixed in, pour the entire mixture into a freezer-safe container. A standard loaf pan works wonderfully, or any airtight freezer-safe tub. Cover it tightly and place it in the freezer for at least 6 hours, though overnight is ideal for a perfectly firm scoop. When you're ready to enjoy your homemade ice cream, let it sit out at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the freezer, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. This simple method yields incredibly creamy ice cream every time. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.